Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake flour at home. Cake flour is a fantastic ingredient for achieving incredibly tender and delicate baked goods, like light cakes and fluffy cupcakes. It has a lower protein content than all-purpose flour, which results in a softer texture. You can easily create a perfect substitute using just two common pantry staples, all-purpose flour and cornstarch. This simple process will elevate your baking to a new level. To begin, you will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. For every 1 cup of all-purpose flour, you will incorporate 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. The cornstarch is the key ingredient here. It works by interfering with the gluten development in the flour. This effectively lowers the overall protein content of your mixture, which is precisely what gives cake flour its signature tenderizing properties. This ratio is crucial for achieving the desired light and airy texture in your baked goods. Once you have measured your all-purpose flour and cornstarch, it is time to combine them. Place both ingredients into a fine mesh sieve. Now, sift the mixture together at least 2 or even 3 times. This step is incredibly important because it ensures the cornstarch is perfectly and evenly distributed throughout the flour. Thorough sifting also aerates the mixture, making it lighter and helping to prevent any lumps, which contributes to a finer crumb in your final product. After preparing your homemade cake flour, you can store it in an airtight container at room temperature, just like regular flour. It will keep well for several months. This substitute is perfect for any recipe that specifically calls for cake flour, such as delicate sponge cakes, cupcakes, or even some quick breads, to achieve a wonderfully tender crumb. Remember to always measure your prepared cake flour after you have sifted it, ensuring you get the precise amount needed for your recipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.